Well, y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing Outdoors. Working on getting the old man's truck up and going, so I got a truck for hauling kayaks, so we can bring you more kayaking videos. It's a 350 roller cam out of a 99 Suburban. Gonna use all the shit on the front of it there. Intake Walmart.com special for making it carbureted. Now this is a 90 model Chevy, so it's supposed to be the fuel injected BS. Hey, 400 turbo. That's supposed to have a 700 R4 in it. But yeah, that's been rebuilt recent. Well, I say recently. It was rebuilt in 2019, 18, something like that. I don't quite remember when them stimulus checks came out, but I got a stimulus check and I went and had that rebuilt. But, yeah. And it's just been sitting in the floor ever since. It's supposed to go back in my short bed, but it never did. And the old man passed away, so I got his truck. There's the battery for the truck. It's an Optima. Hey, there's a distributor. Hey, there's the carburetor. Hey, there's the engine that's eventually going to go in it. It's a 305 roller cam with the throttle body. I can't remember what that's called. But, yeah, the throttle body heads. I'm going to get a different intake for it because that's not my intake. But that is my engine there. It's going to go in it. Hey, tires and wheels. And tires were bought in 2018, so and they've been sitting for quite a while, so it's probably about time to get new tires on the front and back. Well, new tires all the way around, but that's another job for another day. Gotta replace all the front end shit. The gearbox. We're gonna take the steering column out of the short bed and put it in here, potentially. But it's a 90 long bed Chevy. Like I said, this is old man's truck. I've got all my shit piled up in there that I gotta get out.
Yeah. You're gonna have to move some shit so you can get it to
And all the shit in the back there that I gotta get out eventually. But hey, there's a short bed that's no longer mine. But yeah, that steering wheel and steering column's going in that truck. But anyway, that's the plans. Now, if I had more money, we'd actually replace the front end parts with new parts, but we don't have the money. We just got donor trucks around that we're gonna take front end parts out of. But anywho, that's about it. That's the plans. And then I'll have a truck that I can, like I said, I can haul my kayaks around in. Bring you more kayaking videos.
Oh yeah, Mike said you're gonna lug a couple cases of beer and unlimited fishing trips and stuff.
But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here, and I'll get back with y'all later. And have a good one, y'all. Later.